Hello, this is Eric Baird with ReLISTO. ReLISTO and Redwood Property Management are teaming up to present 3106 Delaware, apartment number 1. This is a beautiful building. As you can see, the greenery and the pathways here are just amazing. Here we are, unit number 1. This is a ground floor unit. You know, parking is around the corner and carports. So this has just been redone. This is brand new flooring. It's just brand new, just painted, brand new flooring. So many brand new things. It's hard to, we'll go through them as we do the tour. One of the things besides the flooring and everything is I want to point out these awnings. This is super nice on warm nights to keep the sun away. So you have a fireplace here. White plank, luxury vinyl flooring, a super modern kitchen. Look at how beautiful this is. Stainless appliances, 5-burner range, an oven, stovetop, and microwave. And there is a garbage disposal here as well, which is super nice and convenient. Looking through here, what's super nice as well is all the cabinet space. So this extends all the way to the back. So you can see lots of cabinet space, lots of storage space. And then here you have this is really in conjunction with the dining room area. If you separate the living room and the dining room from each other, you can have your dishes and silverware there. And of course, bar stool seating if you so desire instead of having a table, or you could have both. Here's a little outdoor area. This is super convenient if you want a little private outdoor space. And lots of closets. So here's another one. Look how deep that is. Super, super deep. All right, let's back out. I want you to note that these are double pane windows, and those all the windows have window treatments in them. Here's one of the 2 bathrooms. This one is a sink and toilet. Super convenient for guests when you're down here. And then going up the stairs, nice plush carpeting under your toes. And top of the landing, we have full bath, big tub. Everything is shining in here. It's just really, really nice. They just cleaned it. It looks beautiful. And of course, you have the wide plank vinyl, luxury vinyl flooring there as well. Bedroom number 1. And you have a closet right there. This kind of makes a little jag right here, so you can get a nice big sized bed there. This is nice. This is so fun. You have this little alcove here that you can use for storage. You can put art, or just have a play area. And last but not least, the second bedroom. This one's really bright. It's really super nice. And just to let you know, the sun is setting right now. It's getting late in the evening, so you can see how much sun is still coming through here. And this one has an amazingly big closet. So multiple big closets in this property, which makes it a huge value for folks that are looking to move into someplace, and you have some gear and personal belongings. So we're in this here looking at the bathroom or the kitchen down here. Again, if you're interested in this property, there'll be links, but we look forward to having you here and touring you and having you sign a lease. All right, cheers, bye-bye.